Hi, my name is Adam. Today I am going to introduce very innovative concept tools for removing problematic implant. Peri-implantitis, which can occur for various reasons, often leads to bone loss that affects surrounding implants. While decontaminating the infected surface using implant brushes and monitoring progress is necessary, in some cases the implant may need to be removed. When the lower part of the implant is strongly osseointegrated, removal can be challenging. However, with Neobiotech's fixture removal kit, the implant can be easily extracted without causing bone trauma. First, separate the crown and choose the appropriate remover screw that matches the implant. Tighten it using a torque ratchet with a force of 50 to 80 Newton. Next, connect the fixture remover to the screw. The internal mechanism of the fixture remover locks when turned counterclockwise, ensuring a solid connection. As you rotate the ratchet in the direction of implant removal, the fixture remover engages more securely with the implant. The opposite end of the special torque ratchet is designed to measure up to 400 Newton, allowing you to apply approximately 300 Newton of force to rotate and remove the fixture in the reverse direction. As you can see, the remover is firmly engaged with the fixture, successfully removing it. Once the fixture is removed, the bone cortical thread remains intact, allowing for immediate placement of an implant with the same diameter after cleansing. With Neobiotech's fixture removal kit, failed or problematic implants can be removed efficiently and replaced with a new implant of the same size, all without causing bone trauma.